In this quick video, I am going to show you how to add border to image in DaVinci Resolve 19. So first of all, we need to open effects panel and under it go to the effects section and search here outer stroke, and then you will see this effect here. We just need to drag and drop this effect onto our image just like this. And now to adjust the settings for our effect, we need to select our image from here, then go to the inspector tab and under it make sure to select effects, and from here you can adjust everything related to your effect. If you want to increase the border width, then you can increase it like this or you can decrease it. I want to make it like this. Also you can change the border edge type. If you want to have a box edge, then you can see this is the box edge here, and now if I change it to circle, then the edge will be changed from here. So I'm just going with box one. And also you can change the color from here. If you want to have a green color, red color, you can choose any color you want. You can also adjust the shadow settings from here. If you want to change the shadow offset, you can do it from here. You can also change the softness, and in case you don't want to have shadow for your border, then you can just set the blend to 0 and then the shadow effect will be gone from your border. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.